In this video we're going to be removing the overhead console, the dome light part on a 2008 CL63 W216 model. So we're going to start out by opening the little drawer. You're going to see these clips. Twist them and it's going to loosen it up. You could use a flathead or just this is one way. So once you loosen them up, this thing just drops. Super easy. And now you're just gonna have to disconnect the plugs. And on these, you just press on them and they pop out. That one you have to rotate it to unlock it, and it will basically slide out once you rotate it. Alright, that one broke off. Just gonna be careful with it. Don't really see a locking pin on that one. Okay, it was on the bottom. Alright, so there goes the overhead console, dome light, sunroof, motor. What is a sunroof? Switch. So there's the two plastic clips holding it. And I will drop it once. If it doesn't drop, once you loosen up the screws inside, just kind of pick at it on the sides and it will drop. It's pretty easy.